Hey,
Mark,
Brian, Fitness for Life.
come in DC.
What are we going to talk about today?
All right, so we want to throw out some other types of exercises that for people to do. And with these, we're going to talk about a push-up today. Now, to us, push-ups are probably one of the better exercises you can do for total body conditioning. The most popular gym exercise out there, which I think everybody would agree on, is a bench press. However, a bench press, a lot of people get injured from. Not everybody can do them. And we're not knocking a bench press, but a more functional way to work all those same muscles and even more muscle is a push up. The problem with a push up, though, is that a lot of times somebody wants to start a program, they haven't been working out. And so what they do is they go immediately to the floor and start trying to do a push up. They can't do it. They're sore. Sometimes they even hurt themselves, and then they're done, and then they never go back to it. So we want to show you how you can start incorporating push-ups into a functional training program. It's good for the joints. It's good for the whole body. So it's going to cover a lot of things. So it's going to be good for shoulder mobility. It's going to be good for your arms because everything's involved. It is incorporating a plank, so you're getting a lot of good core training. And there's many ways to modify these things to target and load more the muscles in many different ways, which is how you're going to use them anyway. The big difference between the push-up and a bench press. In a bench press, you're laying on a bench, everything's stabilized, and all you have to do is push that weight away. However, when you are unstable, you don't have the same strength level. You've got to be able to stabilize that, and that's what a push-up does. So because of the functionality of a push-up, we're going to show you some variations of those today. You want to add to that?
You mentioned that the bench press is stable, and you didn't mention about the shoulder blades. When you're on the bench press, your shoulder blades not really able to move as well as when you're on the ground. They get pinched, not moving as well, and you can do a lot of different variations on the floor than you can with a bar. So you can make it a little bit, we talk about 3D a lot. So if you do a different positions, essentially you're strengthening yourself more than what you can just in this position.
So very good point. Just to expound on that, shoulder blades have to move when you're using your arm. Bench press basically locks them down. So that can be a cause of impingement in the shoulder because you're not getting that movement. So we're going to show you some progressions. If you have further questions, contact us at Fitness4Life.
PT.com.